Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to make business communications on WhatsApp Business. WhatsApp Business is the new WhatsApp for business owners. It is very easy and convenient to use. From the use of catalog options to the use of label options, it makes conversations with your clients easier and faster. So for you to access these options, you click on Settings, which is the last icon below. And then the second option here is your catalog. You click on it to show your products and services that you offer. And then here you can advertise your products. You click here to attach your Facebook or your Instagram links to your profile. And then you can create greeting messages, away messages, quick replies, and labels for your customers. So for you to use the label option, you go to your customer's profile, you click on it, you scroll down, and then you click on labels. Click on either new customer, new order, pending payment, or paid. When you scroll here, you see the person's info as a label down. That's how to use WhatsApp Business for business communications. For more tutorial videos on how to use them effectively, please scroll through our YouTube channel and we will help you. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.